Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we discuss about a very important topics of MSc Physics Sem 3rd of very important topics friends. Sommerfeld theory of electrical conduction on the Boltzmann transport equation and Fermi Dirac statistics. This is very important topics friends. Sommerfeld theory. Let's discuss about now. In an electric field Ax applied along the x direction, the Boltzmann transfer equation can be stated as F minus F naught by torque is equal to Ex dF by dpx Ex dF naught by dpx. This is equation 1 friends, where torque is equal to relaxation time for small fields. dF by dpx is equal to dF naught by dpx. E absolute naught is equal to p square x plus py square plus pz square is equal to by 2m is equal to kinetic energy. Therefore, dE is equal to px dpx by m is equal to vx dpx. dpx is equal to d epsilon vx. From equation 1, we get F minus F naught by torque is equal to EVx Ex dF naught d epsilon. This is equation 2 friends. We know the number of electronic states per unit volume associated with an element dpx, dpy and dpz in momentum space after considering a spin is given by 2 by sq dpx, dpy, dpz in thermal equilibrium, and in the absence of a field, the average number of occupied electronic states will be given by 2 by sq f naught p dpx, dpy, dpz, where f naught is equal to Fermi function in terms of total momentum p. Since f naught p is spherically symmetrical with respect to p, hence the average number of electrons per unit volume in the elementary volume dpx, dpy, dpz in momentum space is given by n is equal to 2 by sq fp dpx, dpy, dpz. Therefore, Jx is equal to current density is equal to charge following per unit area per unit time is equal to Ne Vx is equal to minus 2e by sq integration Vx fp dpx, dpy, dpz is equal to minus 2e square by sq Ex v square x df naught by d epsilon dpx, dpy, dpz. This is equation 3 friends. This volume integral can be converted into a single integral by substituting v square x by v square by 3 and dpx, dpy, dpz by 4p by p square dp. Then Jx is equal to minus 2e square by sq Ex integration 0 to infinity v square by 3 torque df naught d epsilon 4 by p square dp. This is equation 4. Now since v square is equal to 2 epsilon by m and p square is equal to m epsilon, pdp is equal to m d epsilon, we get Jx is equal to minus 2e square by 3 hq Ex integration 0 to infinity 2 epsilon by m torque df naught by d epsilon 4 by under root 2 m e m d e is equal to minus 16 pi e square under root 2 m by 3 hq Ex integration 0 to infinity epsilon 3 by 2 torque tf naught by d epsilon naught d e. This is equation 5. We know that 0 to infinity integration del f naught by del e d is equal to minus 1 and replacing epsilon 3 by 2 torque by ef 3 by 2 torque f, we have Gx is equal to 16 pi e square under root 2m by 3 hq by 2m 3 by 2 3n by 8 pi torque f Ex. Substituting the value of ef, we get Jx is equal to 16 pi e square under root 2m by 3 hq by 2m 3 by 2 3n 8 pi torque f Ex is equal to Ne a square torque F by m Ex. Therefore, the electrical conductivity is given by sigma jx by ex is equal to sigma is equal to jx by ex is equal to nes square torque F by m. This is equation 6, where n is equal to number of electrons per unit volume. It is interesting to note that all electrons take part in the conduction mechanism. The relaxation times of only those electrons with energy states close to the Fermi level are significant in respect to conductivity. This becomes clear if one takes a look at figure, the sphere denoted by full circle. You can see the figure, friends. Represents the Fermi distribution in the absence of external field. From this figure, it is evident that the distribution is changed only in the vicinity of the Fermi level. Thank you, friends. We meet in next video. If this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and please support me. Thank you.